All right, guys, we just got finished up sanding. The guys are gonna come back and knock this out. As you guys can see, we protect everything. Got the floors down to raw wood. We're gonna put 2 coats of poly coming on Monday, and all will be well. Thank you guys for tuning in. That's gonna be a wrap. We're also gonna do the steps, as you guys can see. We're gonna do the risers white to match these. And then we're gonna take care of everything else with the dark walnut. Guys, it's gonna look absolutely stunning. Can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned. Hey, yo, let's go. Facebook, YouTube. Come check out the final work that my AO sanding team did. Look how gorgeous this floor looks, guys. Satin sheen, natural, man, beautiful, beautiful. You guys remember, we did this here. Look at this, guys. Absolutely stunning, beautiful, man. Of course, get ready for it. Look at these beautiful steps. Wow. Night and day difference, guys. Night and day. We painted the risers blue, stained and recoated the steps. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Team did a good job, so shout out to my team, Bub and Jerry. Great job, guys, as always. And if you guys need this service, let us know. Happy to help you. And again, whether we do a clean and buff or a screen and recoat, otherwise known as a resurfacing and recoat, or a full sand and refinish like this, we got you covered. Still cheaper than replacement. Again, guys, before you refloor it, let us restore it. Appreciate you. We're in Fults, Illinois today. Team's got another job next week, but guys, we love doing what we do, and my team is passionate. If you haven't done so already, check us out on YouTube. Follow us on there, and subscribe. Never miss an update in a video. Keep you guys updated and informed. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow us on Facebook. Give us a follow and a like. We appreciate it. And of course, we're on Instagram as well. And appreciate your support. Again, if you guys have a need and you have hardwood, we got you covered. Whether it's hardwood, tile, carpet, you name it, duct cleaning, we do. That's what we do, guys. My main tech has been doing this for 45 years. My other technician's been doing this for about 10. And guys, I've been doing this for 20 plus years. So all together, guys, we have so much experience and credentials. To save your floors is absolutely a great feeling. So again, check it out, guys. The homeowners love it. Check this out one more time. Again, we cleaned up as well. Man, look at that, guys. That's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.